there, but because that school was society. The only place that Heathers and Marthas can get along is in heaven.
I wish your mom had been a little stronger. I wish she'd stayed around a little longer. I wish your dad were good. I wish grown-ups understood. I wish we'd met before they convinced you life is war. I wish you'd come with me.
I wish I had more TNT.
Simon is about to fall and you think it's all over for him. Grace saves him. And you realize how far Grace has come as a person. It's a beautiful moment that makes you remember just how hopeful Infinity Train is. This is a story about redemption and growth, and then Simon kicks her off the train! What the f***?